So today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Yugoslavian M2 Gas Mask. So here's the mask in the bag, and let's get it out and take a look at it. So here's our actual mask, and this replaced the M1 gas mask in service, and the primary difference between these two, other than some construction differences, was that this one used a standard 40mm filter as opposed to the 60mm filter its predecessor used. We have, again, the inhale valve where the filter would go, exhale valve with this kind of rotatable directional bit here, glass lenses, your head strap, then the inside of the mask, you can see there. Now let's look at the filter. Here's our filter. Again, it's 40mm. This one has the original plugs on the top and bottom. And I'll put this on the mask to show you what it would look like. So here's the filter on the mask. You can see it's a side-mounted filter, which some people don't like because it does make it kind of lopsided in terms of weight distribution when you're actually wearing it. Now on the inside of the bag, we have lots of little pouches, and this one has a cleaning wipe and then what I believe is an anti-fogging wipe for the lenses to prevent them from fogging up during use if you're humid or just your breath getting on it causing them to fog up. We also have, it's like a owner's kind of instruction manual, and there's places inside this for them to stamp when it was inspected. I have not translated this whole thing, but you can see the areas I was talking about. Now, the bag itself is pretty interesting in its own right. It's a very well-made bag. You know, a lot of gas mask bags, especially from this period, were kind of flimsy and cheaply produced, but this one is very thick, high-quality canvas with good stitching and nice, solid metal hardware, and it's a very nice bag. I mean, for what it is, it's pretty high quality. But the only thing I want to point out in the inside, other than all the little pouches and compartments inside it, is this, if you can see. And this is the same plug that is on the bottom of the filter. And this, the purpose of the plug is to prevent it from, the gas mask filter from expiring when you're not using it. It prevents air from flowing through there and taking up, the charcoal and causing it to no longer be able to prevent chemicals from being inhaled by you. And this, my best guess about this little bit is it's on a string, so you could have the filter on the mask while it was in the bag and you weren't using it, and it'd still prevent it from expiring. So you had the filter already on the mask ready to go, but it wouldn't expire because you had this extra plug-in. And that's about it with this mask. It's pretty simple. It's a well-made mask. It's comfortable to wear. The bag is high quality, and you can get them for fairly cheap still. You can find variations of some of the other Yugoslavian masks as well. You can still find the M1s and some civilian versions as well. I have another video on my channel of a decontamination kit that would have come with the civilian version of this mask. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and please give it a like if you enjoyed this, and consider subscribing. I put out new videos on Militaria every week. Thank you.